Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Nearby Share so devices can discover each other. Open Settings, go to Google, then Device Connections and tap Nearby Share. Turn the toggle on. Once done, pick a device name and visibility. Choose Everyone, Contacts, or Hidden depending on privacy. Make sure to set data usage to Wi-Fi, mobile data, or offline only. This determines how big files transfer and why speed or charges vary. Now you pick the content to send and initiate the transfer. In Photos, Files, or another app, select the item S and tap Share. Choose Nearby Share from the share sheet. Once you do that, your phone searches for nearby devices. This can take a few seconds. When the recipient appears, tap their name. They will receive a prompt to accept. You do this to establish a secure, encrypted connection before the data moves. Finish by monitoring the transfer progress and confirming the file arrived. Stay within a few meters so Bluetooth and peer-to-peer Wi-Fi stay stable. Once complete, the recipient should see the file in the default app or folder. If the transfer stalls or a device isn't discovered, make sure visibility is not hidden, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or restart Nearby Share. That usually fixes discovery problems and why transfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.